Hey ladies, it is our first Tip Tuesday for 2018 and I am super excited about being back with all of you. And while today's tip is not exactly rocket science, we can all use a little tip to kind of just refresh us. So, when I went to put on my necklace, it went to here, but I really wanted it to go to here. So my tip for today, to extend your necklaces to get more wear and use depending on your necklines, you just simply take a very simple bracelet. You can see I took a really simple bracelet. Now on my bracelet it had an extender. I took the extender off and I took the clasp of the necklace and attached it to one end of the bracelet, and then I took the clasp of the bracelet and attached it to the necklace. Like I said, it's not rocket science, but now I can get the look that I wanted. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick tip and also invite you. Tonight is our very first live Facebook $5 jewelry party for 2018. And let me see if I can, I've been working on unpacking. I had 9 boxes of inventory, which is totally crazy. And you can see that I got my board set up for tonight, so I hope that you can pop on. Oh my goodness, let me show you this. Oh my goodness, so pretty for Valentine's. Oh my goodness, let me just show you. Gorgeous wrap. Here's another one. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Look at this necklace. I got turquoise. We got stuff for Valentine's. We got hearts. Oh my gosh, let me show you this pretty bracelet. Isn't that gorgeous? So just to give you an idea of some of the things that we have tonight. So don't forget, 7 p.m. Hope you can pop on. Thank you. Have a blessed rest of the day.